In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Clash Royale on your PC using Google Play Games with a full, easy setup guide. This way, you can enjoy the game on a bigger screen with smooth controls. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Play Games website for PC. Download and install the Google Play Games app for Windows. Once installed, launch the app and sign in with your Google account, the same one linked to your Clash Royale game on your phone. After signing in, use the search bar to find Clash Royale in the game library. Click Install to download the game onto your PC through Google Play Games. Once installed, click Play to launch Clash Royale. You can now play using your mouse and keyboard or connect a controller for even better gameplay. Google Play Games syncs your progress automatically with your mobile account, so all your battles and trophies stay saved. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements and has a stable internet connection for the best experience. That's it! Now you know how to play Clash Royale on your PC using Google Play Games easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming setup guides and tips.